All right, we're going to try out the sunroof mount for the Starlink Mini. What's nice about this setup is you can use a third-party accessory like a battery in the Starlink instead of running a wire if you don't want to run a wire. There's some pieces here, so some assembly required. We're basically just screwing a framework, and oh, look at that. They give you a nice long Allen head driver there, and a couple screws. I'm going to slap this all together and then go try it in the vehicle. This is going to be about the easiest assembly I've ever done on anything. Okay, so getting this installed in the sunroof, not too bad. Little flippy floppy latches, so you put this up here, then flop that latch down, and that makes it hold on tight. So you flap that, put that up there, flap that in, it makes it hold on tight. And then we got a little latch here we're going to push backwards. Then we're going to place the Starlink in here, pull this forward, and it's going to latch the Starlink in. So let's go grab the Starlink. Okay, that's installed. It is a tight fit in this frame, let me just tell you that. Like, you do kind of snap it in to get it in there. This thing is not going anywhere. It is installed. We're not going to worry about this thing flopping off, and I'm not going to worry about this thing flopping off and hitting me in the head when I'm driving down the road. It is stinking on there. And it's pouring down rain. I'm going inside.